Hello, in front of me I've got Soundcore Liberty 4. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls of your headphones. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here we've got the multifunctional panel. Tap once on the left or right earbud to play pause. Tap 3 times on the left earbud to go to the previous song. 3 times on the right earbud to go to the next song. Tap twice on both earbuds to answer and end the call, and tap 3 times on either earbud to decline the call. To switch between ANC, transparency and normal, tap twice on the left or right earbud. And that's basically it. In the end, you can activate voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.